Morning, Carter and Haynes again. Another morning, another video. This is our BMW 428i Petrol M Sports. We took this in Part-X on Saturday, and it's a 2013 63. It was, when it came in, it was so nice. We thought, wow, we're going to sell this, we're going to go with this one. And it really is a nice car. It's got a couple of chips on it, but for just under 80,000 miles, nothing you wouldn't expect. As you can see, it's got the 19-inch alloys. We have added the gloss black kit to this car. So that's the front splitter, side and rear boot spoiler, and the gloss black wing mirrors. We are waiting for the all black kidney grills. They were supposed to be here yesterday and they didn't turn up, but we need to get cars up for sale, as we're on a bit of a roll at the moment. So I've decided to advertise it, change it later, so that will have a gloss black grille. Okay. As you can see, she's in lovely condition. Privacy glass. There's the rear boot spoiler, rear diffuser at the bottom. I mean, it's just such a lot of car. Inside on this one, you've got the heated electric memory seats. You've got the Pro navigation. You've got heated seats, cruise control, basically everything you want. There will be the full specification on the advert as usual. These, like, mate, the seats are so clean for the miles. Yeah. So yeah, as usual, we do take part exchanges. We offer finance. If you go to our website www.carterandhaynes.co.uk, or call us on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking in the sun.